Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to view debit card number on Chase. It's important to distinguish between different Chase card scenarios as how you view card details can vary. Now if you're viewing the card details with traditional Chase debit card, then the debit card number is typically embossed on the front of the physical card. But if you're using the Chase digital card and you want to get your details from there, especially in the Chase mobile app, Chase, like many banks, is increasing security measures. So this can involve displaying card details within their mobile app rather than solely relying on the physical card. Therefore, the Chase mobile app is where you can view your card details. It is worth noting that some banks are moving towards numberless cards where the full card number is only available through the mobile app. For security reasons, it is crucial to never share your full debit card number or PIN with anyone unless absolutely necessary. If you have any specific concerns or difficulties, contacting Chase customer service directly is always the best course of action. In summary, you can find your debit card number on the front of your physical card, and for digital viewing, use the Chase mobile application. Finding your full credit card number within the Chase mobile application involves accessing your account statements. Now to do this, the most reliable method is to view your full credit card number within the Chase app is typically through your account statement, like I said earlier. So to do this, you'll need to navigate to the section of the app that allows you to view past statements. Within your statement, look for the account summary section. Your full credit card number should be displayed there. Next, keep in mind that app interfaces can change, so the exact steps may vary slightly. It's also important to note that depending on where in the world your Chase account is located, that the app functions may also vary. For example, Chase in the UK has different digital card details displays. Always be cautious when viewing sensitive information on your mobile device. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection and that your device is protected with a strong password or biometric authentication. If you encounter any difficulties, like I said earlier, contacting Chase customer service directly is recommended because they can provide the most accurate and up-to-date instructions.